when you're procrastinating about buying something new, put it this way. Most guys go out and buy a boat or a jet ski or something and they've got their toy, eh? And they use it 3 times a year. Well, we can go buy these toys, mate, and we can use them every day. We've been in the game since, I suppose, 2004. At the time, we were fencing contractors servicing the local area around here. You know, all farms, all hill country. In 2004, we had the big Manawatu floods, and yeah, pretty much kick-started our earth-moving side of it. You know, got a digger and farmers wanting us to do bits and pieces, and yeah, as I got older and greyer, bloody, no, bugger this fencing game, I'll take the easy route. So yeah, we ended up full-time earth-moving. So yeah, this project here, landowners here, or the house owner, they had a slip come down during the Cyclone Gabrielle there last year, piled up against the side of the house. We were in here doing it when we finally got the okay in the autumn last year. It was about mid-May. Obviously the ground was still pretty wet and it just got wetter, so we had to pull out. So hence why we're back here now that it's dried out and we can actually move dirt, not mud. We're specialised with specialised gear, can make the job a whole lot more efficient and safer. The package of attached to gear on this machine here, starting from the bottom up, we've got the bolt-on track guards. They're a great product because it's allowing the dirt and stuff to escape. It's not compact, it's not compounded inside a long set of track guards. Yeah, obviously the tilting hitch, with this machine having GPS on it, the attached to tilting hitch comes out with a plate on there already for the tilt sensor to be bolted on. So yeah, just saving redesigning stuff. Attached to wide bucket, the 1.8 metre bucket, running the attached to thumb on this machine, Chubb style one.
Yeah, I find hitch bucket combo good, real easy to release. Haven't had any issues with the hitch so far. Find it's got quite a good crown on it to do all the batters and whatnot we need to do. Yeah, so when I'm on a job like this, where I've got multiple different batters coming in and different angles, I don't have to readjust the digger. I can just sit in the one spot and get the whole thing to swoop as I come around.
With having the one package, all our gear from the one supplier, it just makes it easier. If a man rings up and says he's busted something, we know straight away what we're running on that machine. We can get hold of parts straight away, less hold-ups. You form that good working relationship with the companies you're buying off, and that goes a long way.